Today I'll be unboxing the D23 Magic and Mystery Enchanted Objects Mystery Pins. These were originally released as part of the D23 2024 Gold Member Collector's Set, and then in September of 2024 they've released these separately. So now you can get these at the Disney store for $18.99 per box, and there are 2 pins in each box. I pre-ordered these back in August and they were $29.99 per box, so I should have waited. So you do have to be a D23 Gold member in order to purchase these from the site. So this is a 7-pin collection, and the pin designs feature magical items from Disney movies. So the 7 pins that we can get are King Triton's Trident, Yzma's Llama potion, Genie's magic lamp, the Madrigal family candle, Miguel's guitar, Madame Leota's crystal ball, and Maui's fishhook. So let's open these up, see what we get. So I have 3 boxes here to open up, which is 6 pins total, and I only have 3 boxes here because when I pre-ordered these, they were $30 per box, and I already have 2 of these pins from the Gold Member Collector's Set. So the pins I already have are the Magic Lamp and the Llama Potion. So I only need 5 more, and out of the 5 that are left, the ones I want the most are Madame Leota's crystal ball and Maui's fishhook. So let's see if we can get those here. So these are, if you haven't seen these pins before, they're kind of really thick brass pins, and some of them are really heavy. Oh, and I can see they're not in black bags, they're in clear bags, so I can kind of already see what they are. So I'm just gonna pull one out here, and we have, you can see the back, it's Maui's fishhook. Awesome. So we have his fishhook there, and it's got a lot of like detail on the hook itself, and it's got the area, the handle that he holds onto. Super nice, really, really thick pins. I can show you a closer look at them. I'm not gonna pull them out of the bags because that'll make tons of noise. And then the next one is very light. This box is light now. So let's see, this one is, it's just a straight line, and that means it's King Triton's Trident. Very cool. It's just this long, skinny pin here. Still really thick though. That is cool. Put that right there. And this box, I kind of didn't weigh the boxes, but you can kind of feel them by with your hands. And this box here feels kind of the same weight as the last one. So we'll see if we get the same thing. I don't want to look in yet. But our first pin is, I can tell that's a guitar. That is Miguel's guitar. Oh, that is cool. That is awesome. Got the little skull there on the top. Very cool. So this is what? Ernesto de la Cruz guitar. Very cool. And then our 4th pin is, ooh, that's just a big block, and that is, oh, it's the Madrigal family candle. Very cool. So you got a lot of detail there. I see a butterfly on the candle, and you have the wick of the candle up top. Really cool pins. So now I'm only missing 1, right? Because I have 2, and I just got 4. So the only one I'm missing is Madame Leota. So now the good thing is Madame Leota looks like it's going to be a heavy one, and this is a lot heavier box than the last 2. Could be the lamp again though, because the lamp is really big. All right, let's see what we get here. Pull this one out, and it's the lamp. So we have another magic lamp, and this one is, I think it's probably the thickest out of all of them, and this one's really heavy. So that is probably what was weighing that box down. But yeah, a lot of cool detail on the top of the lamp there. So that one's pretty cool. And so then this one is probably not heavy enough to be Madame Leota. And it is another Maui's fishhook. So that explains why this bag was so heavy, or that box was so heavy, because those are 2 really thick, heavy ones. So we got 1 double there. But if we add in the Llama's potion there, I have 6 out of the 7. So I'm only missing Madame Leota. So those were the D23 Enchanted Objects Mystery Pins. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite out of the 6 that I showed you today. My favorite after getting a close-up look at these is Miguel's guitar. I just really love all the details in that one. You can see all the guitar strings and the skull at the top, and then all the little flower detail on the body of the guitar. These pins don't have any color or any enamel on them or anything, but they are very detailed, at least some of them are, especially Maui's Fishhook and Miguel's guitar. So the guitar is my favorite one here. So this was a great unboxing for me. If we just judge by the unboxing, I unboxed 5 out of the 7 pins. So I only got 1 duplicate, so that's a good unboxing, but I also had a 6th pin, the Llama potion bottle. So I have 6 out of the 7, so I'm only missing 1 pin, and that one is Madame Leota's crystal ball. So I find that pin, and I complete this collection. So now, since these are only $18.99, I could get another box, or I could just go right to eBay and just get the Madame Leota pin for probably $20 to $25. So decisions. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.